Argparse module. How to add option without any argument. I have created a script using Argparse. The script needs to take a configuration file name as an option, and user can specify whether they need to proceed totally the script or only simulate it. The args to be passed, /script fconfig_file s or /script fconfig_file. It's okay for the fconfig_file part, but it keeps asking me for arguments for the s, which is optional and should not be followed by any. I have tried this. With the following errors. And same error with instead of 0.
As at Felix Kling suggested, to create an option that needs no value, use action equals store_true, store_false, or store_const. See documentation.
To create an option that needs no value, set the action, docs, of it to store_const, store_true, or store_false. Example.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.